Hello, geometry students. Welcome. This is Mr. Greco, and we are going to be learning about the volume of a cylinder today. So I'm going to make three videos, one of volume of a cylinder, volume of a cone, and volume of a pyramid, and this is the first of them. All right, volume of a cylinder. So it is the area of the base, which is pi r squared. So this pi r squared is the area of a circle. If you notice, the circle is the base. So you just solve for the area of a base, which is pi r squared, and then you times that by height. So, for example, let's do. So let's say the radius is 5. Let's say, right. This right here is the radius. It's 5, and then the height's 10. Sorry about the horrible handwriting. So it's pi r squared h. So pi is a number, right? So it's 3.14 parentheses. And then the radius is 5 squared, and then 10. So we square the 5. So this becomes 3.14 times 25. Because 5 squared is 5 times 5 is 25. Times 10. Sorry about that. And then you throw that in your calculator. You guys can all use your calculators, obviously, for all this. 3.14 times 25 times 10 equals 785, and it's in units. Let's pretend this is inches. Units, inches, and cube, because volume is cubed. Okay, so I'm going to erase all this. Okay, so again, it's pi r squared. Pi is 3.14, r is the radius, and h is square. So let's get all this. All right. All right. So I do want to show one thing that, so sometimes in these problems, and this is very true in MCAS, you get something like this. So this right here is the radius, right? And this right here is the diameter, right? So the radius is from the middle out, and the diameter is all the way across. So let's say if the diameter is 20, right? So that's 20 from here to here. So this is halfway, and this is halfway. So it's 2 halves is 20, and this is 1 half. So if the diameter is 20, the radius is going to be 10. All right. So if you see something that goes from the middle out, that's the radius. If you go something from all the way across, that's the diameter. So that's usually something they throw into cylinder problems. So again, so you're always solving for the radius, so not the diameter. So it's this part right here, the middle out. So if they give you the radius, use the radius. If they give you the diameter, you divide the diameter by 2, right? And then you get the radius, which is 10. All right. So again, pi, which is 3.14, times the radius squared times the height. And that is how you find the volume of a cylinder. And again, if they give you the diameter, which is all the way across, you take that number and divide it by 2, and then you use that as the radius. All right. Talk to you guys soon.